Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video is going to be a very simple recipe. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Guyanese homemade cherry juice. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious juice, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up the video, and also please subscribe to my channel. And guys, please make sure that you click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video, right? I mostly upload video on Wednesdays and Sundays, sometimes also during the week, so just keep your notification on, alright? I also have a juice playlist, so I'll leave that playlist in the description box down below, and all my measurements and ingredients will also be in the description box down below. And guys, I want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video, alright? When you guys watch the ad, that's helping me out a lot, okay? So let me just show you my ingredients for my homemade cherry juice. Enjoy! Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my homemade cherry juice. So we have some cherry here, some brown sugar, lemon juice, and some essence. So let's go and put it in our blender now. So now guys, I forgot to show you guys, you also have to get a cup of ice water. So I'm going to pour the water into the blender, and then I'm going to pour in my cherries. Oops. And then you're going to put in your lime juice, vanilla essence, and your brown sugar. So let's go and blend it up now. So we're going to blend up our cherry juice now. So my cherry juice finished blending, so I'm going to strain it out and let you guys see. So guys, I'm going to strain out my cherry juice now. So nice and rich. So I'm going to take my spoon here and go in circles like until everything dissolves. Alright, so we'll be back with the end results. Okay guys, so my cherry juice is finished, so I'm going to taste it on camera and let you guys see. So here it is here, my cherry juice. So here it goes. Wow. Tastes really good guys. You guys really need to try this recipe. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel. And guys, please watch my ads in my video, okay? Don't forget to watch the ads, so don't skip it. So, and you guys can share my video as well. So take care and see you in the next video. Bye.